Today I've created this really simple look using the Mercier eyeshadow sticks. Now I couldn't help myself, I did buy 3. So I bought the dark cacao, the burnished bronze and also brick. But the colour that I've used today is the burnished bronze. Now I've used that on my eyes. I've also used a touch of it on my cheeks and on my lips. So this really is a very easy look just using one product. So I'll jump into the video and let me know what you think. Today I'm beginning this makeup look with the Smashbox Photo Finish Mattifying Primer. Reason I'm doing this is I went to the gym this morning, so my skin's still feeling a little bit dewy, and I also just put a serum on my face as well. So this will help to just mattify the area, making sure it's all over my eyes and down my T-zone, just to get rid of any excess oil. The foundation of choice today is the Illuminance from Revlon. This is a great tint, it's a perfect shade for me. And I just really like it. It's the number 317. I'm using the Amkra Beajty foundation brush to buff this in. As always, placing it through the center of the face and just working it out and buffing it into my skin. Even though I am using these eyeshadows and it is sort of more of a, I suppose, a day to night look, I do just want a really nice natural base on. So that's why I've chosen this tint. It's really easy to use as well. So just putting a little bit more over my cheeks. They're still quite flushed from this morning. Now the next product I'm going to use is the Amkra Beajty. I've used this a few times. This is the light medium contour wand. It's a cream bronzer and I just like to carve out my face here and give it a little bit of warmth and shape. I'm going to go down my nose today as well and shape that too. So these are the areas just that I feel that really help to sort of lift my face, also contour my face, give myself that really nice look around the cheekbones there, and also to contour that jawline. And I press it in with this brush, as you can see, just pressing it in so that we don't get any anywhere else apart from where we've placed that contour. So just pressing it in and just creating a really nice seamless look with the foundation. Same on the cheekbone here as well, and up along that jawline. Now I'm just going to do the nose. This brush is probably a bit big, and as you can see, I'll just go down the nose there and make sure it's all blended in nice and natural. Now these are the 3. So the first one I've swatched is the dark cacao. We have brick and then burnished bronze. I'm going to go in with the burnished bronze today. It's like a medium of the shade. It's a little bit like browny bronzy, but it also sort of seems to throw a little bit of that plum shade, which I think is really pretty. So I've just literally drawn that all over the mobile lid. I'm going in with the blending brush and I'm just blending it out into the crease and just up onto that brow bone there to create lift. And I've also placed a little bit under the lash line there. Once again, just coloring in the eye all over that mobile lid, and don't be too fussy of where it's going. And again, underneath the bottom, coming in with a blending brush and blending that out to soften the edges and creating a nice bit of lift on the eyes. But what an easy way to do the makeup. And instantly you get that pop of color and the eyes just really show up. I'm going to just take a little bit more and put it on the outer corner there, as you can see, just there to just really deepen that shade. And then once again, blending it in. But how easy is that? I feel like that is probably the easiest way to do your eye makeup, and it just creates such a great look. The eyes are really nice and open. So I'm really putting it on that brow bone there. This helps to create lift on the eyes. Swiping through with some of the Rumi Cosmetics. This is their Volume Lash Mascara in black. I'm loving this tubular mascara. It really is perfect. I did have a little bit of residual mascara on before I started from this morning. I find if I don't wear my mascara, I kind of look like I'm either tired or not well. So I do love wearing my mascara, even if it is to the gym. Swiping through my brows with one of the brow products from Amkra Beajty. This has a little spoolie wand on one end and also the color on the other. So again, a really nice and easy one. I'm just coloring the outer corner of my eyebrow there, not towards the inner corner. I didn't want them to make them too dark. Now I'm using the same product on my cheeks. So as you can see, I've placed it high, I've created a little circle, and I'm just blending it in with my finger. So there are no rules with makeup. If it's going on your face somewhere, I'm sure it can go on your face anywhere else. So for me, I thought that made it nice and easy. I'm following this with the Candy Blush from Pony Cosmetics just to add that hint of color. And also I can't help myself but put it into the brow bone there and just really soften that edge. I'm using the same one for my lips as well, just a small amount, rubbing it in with my fingers and using a little bit of the Leno Lips to create a bit of moisture there. I'd love to know what you think of this easy look using the Laura Mercier eyeshadow sticks.